If you have already created a seller account on eHealth Market, it's now time to add your products and trade. Visit www.e-health.market. Click Login. Enter your email ID and password. Select Brand. Go to Create a new brand. Write the brand name and upload the brand logo. Your brand will be validated and published by our expert team within 24 hours. Note that it is not compulsory to have a brand to create a new product. Click Save to continue. Select Product. Go to Create New Product. Fill in the product details and upload the product images. Click Save. Your products will be validated and published by our expert team within 24 hours. For more information or queries, please email us on contact@e-health.market. eHealth Market. Trade worldwide with us.